Hello friend, welcome you on Lamron Academy. I am Rajendra Lamron. I am telling about the structure in C programming. Okay, why we are using structure, what is the difference between structure and array, or how to write a program using structure. I will explain in the tutorial. Okay, the definition of structure is a different type of data, collection of data. In using in array, you can use only single type of data. If you using integer, if you are using float, only one type of data you can use. But in structure you can use different data type in a group of together. Means you can use integer, float, character, all is the same place. This is the advantage of structure. Okay, whenever you define the structure, you should be define the variable of structure. Okay, structure members in a C. On many of the structure variable can declare, you can declare same structure. They allocate the memory different for each variables. You can, if you define 2 and 3 variables, they will be assigned their 2 and 3 memories separately in the memory allocation. Okay, best way, initially you define the structure, you should define the null. After that you should initialize your use. So here I am showing how to define the structure. Struct keyword are using to we can create the structure, or structure tag if you want to use, or if you do not want to use, it is not compulsory, it is optional for you. Member definition, here you define the members, integer, character, float, whatever you want. Okay, after that you write one or more structure variables, which variables you want to show in structure. Variable you can define with the here names, also you can define the another using the name of the structure. Okay, so here I am showing the one example how to create the structure. Here struct keyword we are using for creating the structure. Book we are using after we create a character, title of 50, 50 we can create. Okay, or int book id equal to book. So मैंने book को I have created. Okay, now I am showing you the one example. So what is the structure we are using? Here I have included to include stdio.h to header files. After I have creating the structure using the struct keyword for structure, or I using student. Okay, student we can create int id, character name equal to 20, or float percentage. Okay, this way you can create the structure. Or int man structure struct record equal to 0 when initialization of the structure is null, and record. So here I have initialized the structure with value of null. Okay, here you can see we have defined the many different type of data types in a structure: character, float, integer. So now I am assigning the value of each data type. So record.id equal to 0, because here I given the structure name is record. Okay, record.name equal to 0. Here I am showing the how to use strcpy. Last tutorial I have explained you what is the functions of the string. So here I am using, so you can understand that. So here the source is destination, here is source. So data will Rajendra will copy it into record.name. Okay, record percentage we are putting the. So now here I am printing the value. So how to do? When you creating the object, memory will be located in your data memory location. Okay, after that we assign the value of structure. After the assigning the value, we can reuse to see the data in the, so record.id, record.name, or record.percentage. They will print the value whatever you have assigned here. Okay, so now I am showing you the output, whatever I have told is correct or not. So you can see here id equal to 1, name equal to Rajendra, and percentage equal to 865000. Okay, we have taken float, so it will take. Okay, so you have an idea about the difference between the structure and array. Array is only one single type of data, but structure we can use many different type of data. Or how to write the code using the struct, you understand. If you have still any doubt, comment below. I try to reply as soon. Thank you friend for listening.